of layer of the transistor, which are these, that is the gain, input gain, output gain, sorry, voltage gain, current gain, input impedance, output impedance. That parameters we are going to find out by the hybrid model of the BJT. Okay, now already we have seen that how to find out the equivalent hybrid model for the different configurations. Okay, as we know that transistor works in under three basic configuration: common base, common emitter, common collector. So how to find out the hybrid model for that? Yeah, up to this yesterday's lecture we have covered this much part. Okay, so in today's lecture exactly we are focusing how to find out the different parameters of the particular transistor. Now, which are these? That is the main three parameters, four parameters actually. That is the, see here, AV. A stands for gain. If it is a AV, then it is called as a voltage gain. If I is there, it is a current gain. Then Ri, that is the input impedance, and Ro, that is the output impedance. So see here, the transistor amplifier circuit is in the form of two-port network, as we know that. What is the two-port means? It is having input port, output port. It is having input voltage, output voltage. So Vs is a supplied voltage, Rs is a source resistance. So V1 is a input voltage, I1 is a input current, Ri is nothing but the input impedance. Okay, here V2 is the output voltage, I2 is the output current, RL is a load resistance. Current flowing through load resistance is RL. Okay, so see here, I2 and IL is same, but direction is opposite. RL is towards the RL, while I2 is towards the transistor amplifier circuit. Okay, and RO, it is nothing but the output impedance of the transistor. Okay, so we have to find out that. Now, as we know that what we have to consider the equivalent circuit for the transistor. Now, in the equivalent circuit of the transistor, what we are having input circuit and output circuit. Now see here, this is the input source, this is the input resistance RS. Now this is the input parameters, that is HI, and here is a dependent voltage source HR into V2. Okay, so this is the input side or input equivalent circuit. This is the output equivalent circuit. So this is the output equivalent circuit of the transistor. In the output equivalent circuit of the transistor, see here we are taking I2 as a dependent parameter. So we are showing that with respect to current source. Okay, so here HF into IL into HO. So voltage across HO is nothing but our output voltage V2. Now current flowing through this is I2. So see here, this is the current I2. As we compare I2 and IL, these are the same current. Yes, that is the current from the same branch, but I2 and IL is in opposite direction. That's why we are writing here I2 is equal to minus IL. Okay, so here is RL is a load resistance, and R0, see here, this is R0 is nothing but the output impedance, that is the total impedance of the circuit looking towards the output side. Ri is the input impedance, that is total impedance of the circuit looking towards the input side. Okay, so in this case we are going to find out these four parameters. Now step by step we are going to move. Okay, before that, now this is the hybrid equivalent circuit model for the transistor. Now see, determination of the current gain. First thing which we want to derive is the current gain. Now see, before that, tell me what is the equation for gain? What is the equation for gain? Yes, fast. Simple question you can easily answer. Huh?
Output divided by input.
Very
Output
good.
divided by input.
Very good. It is a output divided by input. Okay. Now tell me what is the output in our case. It is a IL, that is a load resistance, current passing through the load resistance, that is the IL. What is the input current? It is the I1. Okay. What is the input current? It is the I1. So see, IL upon I1 is nothing but our current gain. But what we know from this diagram, what is the relation between I2 and IL? Now you tell me if it is a I2. If it is a I2. Now tell me what is the relation between this and this, IL and I2. Is it the same? Yes or no?
Hello. Hello. No, namaste, madam. This hospital report is very
Yes, madam.
I2 is same
Hello.
as that of IL, but direction is different. I2 is in this direction, IL is in this direction. So what we can say, I2 is equal to I minus IL, or IL is nothing but minus I2. Okay, so see here we have to write that in our equation. See, IL is nothing but minus I2. So what is the current gain in that case? Minus I2 upon I1. Okay, now we know the value of I2. Okay, at the start of the chapter, while defining the parameters, we are defining I2 as a dependent. Okay, so what is the equation of I2? It is H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Yes, up to this, everyone okay? If yes,
ma'am.
yes. Everyone, yes? Is it okay up to this? Is there any doubt? Now,
Hello. Hello, Sridhar.
see what we have to do. First step is to find out the current gain. How we can find out the current gain? Just current gain is nothing but output current divided by input current. In our diagram, what is the output current? It is a IL. What is the input current? It is a I1. So what we know that IL is nothing but minus I2. So replace that. AI is nothing but minus I2 upon I1. But what happens? We know the value of I2. Yeah, it is a dependent parameter. So I2 is nothing but H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Now, if we want to represent with standard H parameters, then I2 is nothing but H22 is nothing but what? It is a forward current gain. So we call it as a HF. Okay. And H22 is nothing but conductance. It is a HO, or output conductance. So I2 is nothing but HF I1 plus HO V2. Up to this okay? Say yes if it is okay. If not, then tell me the problem. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see here, but now what is V2? V2 is nothing but what? See here. V2 is nothing but the output voltage across this RL. Now Ohm gives us the clue. Whenever we want to find out the voltage, we can calculate its resistance multiplied by current. So V2 is nothing but IL into RL. Yes. Now see here. V2 is nothing but IL into RL. But again, IL is nothing but what? It is a minus I2. So what is the value of V2? It is minus I2 into RL. So we have to put that value of V2 into equation 2. Okay, now put that value. I2 is equal to HF la HF as it is, I1 la I1 as it is, plus HO as it is. Instead of simply V2, what we have to do? We have to replace that V2 with minus I2 into RL. And again, rearrange this one. So here, I2, this minus term we have to make transfer towards the left side. It will becomes plus. So I2 plus HO RL into I2, which is equal to HF into I1. Okay. Now tell me which term is common in between these two terms. Which term is common? What we have? I2. So we have to take I2 as a common. So इथून I2 गेला एक राहिला. So 1 plus IO into RL. Okay. Is equal to HF into I1. Okay. So see, we have to get I2 divided by I1 is equal to HF divided by 1 plus HO into RL. Okay. So just I2 upon I1 is nothing but what? It is our current gain, which is equal to minus HF upon 1 plus HO into RL. Why this minus sign is there? Because AI is nothing but minus I2 upon I1. So this is the value of only I2 upon I1. So we have to multiply it with negative sign. So minus HF upon 1 plus HO into RL. So once again, everyone has to go stepwise through these slides and tell me which term you are not getting. If getting, is it okay? Okay. Now just I will give you 1 minute. Go through these slides. Yes, step by step. First thing, what is the equation of current gain? IL upon I1. What is the relation between I1 and I2? Sorry, IL and I2, it is minus. So IL is equal to minus I2. So what is the complete equation for I1? AI, it is nothing but minus I2 upon I1. So write down the equation of I2. It is a H21 I1 plus H22 V2. So replace it with the standard H parameters. So H21 itself is nothing but HF. So I2 is equal to HF I1 plus H22 is nothing but HO into V2. So what is V2? It is minus I2 into RL. Okay. Now, so you have to replace this V2 and rearrange the equation. We will get the value of current gain as minus HF upon 1 plus HO into RL. So by knowing the values of H parameter, we can easily find out the current gain for that particular transistor. Is it okay? Hello? Hello?
मॅडम मायनस कसं काय येते हो?
See here, what is the AI equation? Minus I2 upon I1. So we have to put that minus sign over here.
Yes, yes.
Is there another question? Hello, everyone. Preeti, Prajakta, Sindhu, Akanksha, Arti, Rajashri, Pratiksha, Renuka, Gauri. Have you got the concept? Kajal, Jyotiram, Rohan, Ameya. Is there any doubt? Abhishek, Prashant, Shreyas, Rishikesh.
No doubt.
Okay, everyone clear this concept?
Yes.
Can we move?
Yes.
Okay, now we will see the next one. Okay, see again the same thing. It is a simple terms, but you have to revise it very frequently. Then and then only you can understand the difference between them. Okay, otherwise what happen? EDC is quite easy subject if you are going to practice it regularly.